Hello friends, in last two videos we have seen that a lesson in life from a beggar. The writeress of this lesson is Sudha Murthy and her friend Meena. We have seen that Meena was that here a pessimistic character. She is an LIC officer. She had everything, but she was always finding fault in simple things. She was always in mood of nervous and unhappy. Sudhamurti was her best friend. Sudhamurti, she tried to change her attitude with many ways, but at last she failed, so that those who were coming in contact with Meena, they were also thinking negatively about Meena. So her character became totally negative. By the chance that, by in the course of time, Meena transferred from Bangalore to Mumbai, and in Mumbai, when Sudhamurti came as for her work, she was caught by Meena, and that time Sudhamurti found that lot of changes in Meena's attitude. How's that? It was a big question in front of Sudhamurti. In the beginning, Sudhamurti also was trying to avoid her, but by seeing the changes, she was also surprised. And so that when they came at the hotel to have a cup of tea, that time Sudhamurti discussed about her the secret of her happiness. And by the time that Meena explained the secret of her happiness, and she said about that Sudhamurti had explained in this story about Meena next word that said, when that Sudhamurti asked Meena that what is the secret of her happiness and who changed her attitude, who was responsible for changing her attitude, that pessimistic into optimistic means that sadness to happiness, who was responsible for that? Meena said, nothing but, and nobody is there but a beggar. By listening this beggar, Sudhamurti also shocked. How's that? A beggar can change such that Meena's life, Meena's attitude. So Sudhamurti very eager to know how did this happen. Then at last Meena started to explain the secret of her happiness. Then Meena said, as that year she was living in the flat, in the apartment. Nearby that apartment there was a hut, and in that hut that beggar, an old man, and his 5 years old granddaughter, they were living. They were very poor. It was very simple hut, and they were very poor. They were begging for food, and it happened that habit to Meena, that whatever she was that year remaining food, that leftover food, she was offering to these beggars every day. And that day, what happened there? Every day, once that what happened? These two beggars, means that old man and his granddaughter, that having that food, they were living very happily. Though Meena was offering that leftover food to that beggar, but among them there was no any discussion or speech was there. Meena was giving food as it was that she was doing some great work. Okay, no problem there. And in this way, once it was happened, it was rainy season, and as it was rainy season, It was Mumbai's rain, means it is very pouring rain, that Meena wanted to go to the office. From morning, it was pouring outside. Meena was ready to go outside, but rainfall was so pouring that she could not put her feet outside. Then she remained in the inside. And as that year she remained inside, they were that she saw that beggar and his granddaughter, both they were enjoying and playing in the rain. Both they were that totally hungry because of a heavy rainfall, Meena could not go outside, and the same that she could not get a chance to offer that leftover food to those beggars also. But though they did not get that food, they were enjoying that heavy rainfall. That the daughter was dancing, happily cheering, and she was crying, laughing, singing in that rainfall, as that she was enjoying. As the same, her grandfather also joined her, and both they were enjoying that heavy rainfall. And as the heavy rainfall, then this picture as that granddaughter and her grandfather, both these were beggar, but they were enjoying this heavy rainfall. Both they were hungry because Meena could not offer her that leftover food to them. Both they were hungry without food, but they were enjoying that rainfall. On the road, there was no traffic, without traffic, so that they were enjoying on the open road and in the heavy rainfall. Then, Meena thought about their happy and smiling faces. Then she looked through her flat. In her flat, she had everything, that all luxury things that are full with that many things there in her flat, full with luxurious things, her flat. Though that she had all luxurious things, but she was not happy. She was always sad and in nervous mood. Then again she turned through that window, and she looked at both them, that granddaughter and her grandfather. Both they were smiling, and then because of that here, that smiling face, they were happy. And then she again turned her luxurious flat. Then she thought about again that hurt. That hurt means that here it is a very simple hurt. She had all luxurious things. Even these beggars, they did not know also these luxurious things. Then also they are very happy, and their that hurt was very simple hurt, and their life is very simple. Though their life is very simple, they were very happy. And here that Meena had all luxurious things, but she was not so happy. She always thinking that pessimistically, always nervous, always negatively. Why? Why? And then she was thinking hard. She thought hard in her flat, and again the picture of happy faces of that granddaughter and her grandfather, that These two happy pictures were moving around her eyes. And then she thought about their life and her life. Then she thought that, yeah, what is the secret of happy life of that beggar? Then she thought that, yeah, the same way I would also like to be happy. But how? How's that? Then there she understood that happiness means this luxurious life not. Happiness means our minds are happy. Though they are very much poor, but they are not so sad. That here Mina again and again compared her life and beggar's life, and then she decided to be happy like those beggars. And in this way, then by listening this story, Sudhamurti also became very shocked. Then she said that here that beggar means your guru. Then have you that in return that beggar changed your life, your attitude, that sadness turned into happiness in your life, that is because of only that beggar. Means beggar is your guru, and in your Indian culture that we should give some guru dakshina. Then Sudhamurti asked Mina, have you offered any guru dakshina to that beggar? Then there Mina stopped there. She became silent and then said, no. Because after some time, after some days, Mina came to know that old man, old beggar dead. He was no more. Then there remained only his 5 years old granddaughter. But as Mina thought that year it was her duty, that Mina admitted to that 5-year-old daughter in the hostel, residential school, and all that she paid, all that fees for her school. In this way, by paying that fees of that daughters, indirectly Mina gave Guru Dakshina to her Guru, that means old man beggar. In this way here, that Mina changed her life from pessimistic to optimistic. Pessimistic means always thinking negative, and optimistic means always thinking positively, always happy. In this way, Mina changed her life from unhappy to happy. This is the story of Sudhamurti. And indirectly, by paying fees, Sudha means Mina also shows her respect towards that beggar. This is a heart-touching story. You have also read this story 3 times at your home. Okay.